need to push down this clip. If you push downwards, the airbag will come off. Look at the steering wheel. So the steering wheel and the steering column has been marked here. So whenever any of the back car steering wheel is going to change, always remember the steering wheel has to align with this mark. Or in slightly in the older cars, and if the car gets older and you keep on changing your steering wheels probably you are doing this steering wheel alignment. So this is misaligned. But whenever you want to change your steering wheel, always align this with always align your steering wheel with the steering column mark. Just gently tap here the steering wheel in order to remove, because it's first time this will be a little hard. Once it will be off, you can remove. I'll replace. I'm putting this VRS steering wheel into my car with just plug and play. This has heating function which I'm not doing right now. Probably in the future I'll do it. With just plug and play I'll do it. I'll align this steering wheel with steering column. Tight kar. So the steering wheel is perfectly fine. I'm checking all the buttons. This is working. My assistance guidance for the assistance systems. Steering heated button, this is not working currently because I will work on this later. I need to change the clock spring and all. Rest of the media buttons, my scroller for the volume, everything is working fine, which is very good. Let's move on. Let's clean this up. Let's fit this up properly and we'll take a try.